What is going on YouTube? Back with another video. This morning's job, a couple of months ago, maybe 3 months ago actually, we went to a property with pinhole in pipe. I will put the link in the description to the video below. A pinhole in copper pipe, obviously a hot feed is what I meant to say. She's had all the cold water feeds pipework in the house replaced to speed fit from somebody else, and now she wants all the hot pipes changing to speed fit. Each to their own. My only issue is chipboard floors. So yeah, my only saving grace is somebody has changed all the cold pipes, and I'm hoping the hot is going to run alongside that, and they've already had the boards up. So we've got a downstairs toilet, kitchen sink, the boiler, bathroom basin, bath. I believe the shower is electric. So let's get inside because I am 15 minutes late already. Right, so this is it. So as we're looking at this now, you can see that what they've already done. But that pipe down there is our hot to our downstairs toilet. This is our hot feed because it was on a conventional gravity system before, so that's why it's 22. So we're going to be cutting all that out. Down around here. The boards are up, so one winner, second winner. It's going to be quite a bit of scrap. Into the bathroom then, from that other side, across, under the toilet, to the sink, basin, not sink. But as you can see, it looks like it's started to fail again on the hot in points. There's pinholes everywhere, there's suspect patches everywhere. And this one here, although it's not been took up yet, is where I originally changed a 3 metre length. Full of pinholes in that corner down to the kitchen. We're using speed fit lay flat pipe, and obviously speed fit fittings, John Guest, because that's the ones I carry on the van. Although I think Hep2O is probably the best. I've never seen a Hep2O joint fail, but I have seen speed fit fail. Hopefully not today. Where to start is my problem. But I think I'll just start here, cut it off here, and then start my reel from that corner down to there on a 90 across. Try and use as little fittings and joints as possible. Always have your buckets and towels at the ready. You wouldn't have thought I had a Milwaukee pipe cutter in van, would you? An automatic one. Might go and get that. Otherwise I'm going to have sore wrists. Set this up because I can't get that length out, although it moves forward and back. It's been well clipped. Don't forget to get it clipped as you go. Technically most of this floor could go back down now, because obviously we know there's no joints from that end to that end. That's our hot feed to the bath. They've actually stepped it down there from 22 to 15 for the rest of the house. Bit smaller bore pipe for me to contend with. I've had enough already. I Absolutely hated to take the floorboards off of on this job as well as do what I'm having to do now. But to be fair, it looks like the dog might have took the floorboards up. I'm fed up using pipe cutter. Oh bollocks, I better pull it that way, Anna. This is the only trouble with lay flat. Although it's not as springy as the old style speed fit. It just wants to go, because it still curls, it wants to go wherever the hell it wants. I have no idea where that is now. Well, it's not come through yet. Hey. Teaching most people now how to suck eggs, but these are speed fit super seal pipeliners, inserts, whatever you want to call them. Okay, need 2 hands. That just pushes in there on either end. Now if you was to connect a compression fitting onto this pipe, you wouldn't use this style insert. You'd use the ones with not super seal. They don't stick out as much, and you can get full depth inside your fitting. Whereas if you use this, you only get half depth inside a compression fitting. That probably made 0 sense, but let me know if it did. Put a little bit of lube, a bit of spit inside the fitting, shove her home, and then lock it off. Not like that though, because now on the opposite side of the pipe, it's not supposed to be that way around. That's supposed to be underneath that. I feel like I'm saying this a lot, but we all make mistakes. Oh, it's well on its way, isn't it? Yeah. Well, at least it's have to set the toilet out. Every cloud, eh? I haven't catched up under the bath yet, I just left it there. My main concern is getting these under the floor. Hey. Straighten up, soldier. Might as well put one on their pipe as well, because I'm nice like that. This is the other side of the bathroom now. Bathroom's on that side. This is what we cut out last time and renewed. Seems a waste to cut it back out, because I've been offering up with today's copper. We hope we'll find out in 25-30 years time. Sorry though, it's that new. Better reuse it. Get paid twice. See, business tips. Business. The last guys have got away with out dropping it down the wall to the kitchen sink or the downstairs toilet, so that's my excuse. So this hair felt lagging you put on joist to stop creaking and movement in the pipes rubbing against the wood. I get this stuff because it does 15 and 22 mil. It also opens up and you can slide it down the pipe for when you're clipping pipes to brickwork and stuff stop it attacking the copper. Get this from Direct Plumbing Supplies. So that's us complete in this bedroom, almost to the kitchen sink. So the hot to this basin now is behind the back of the board. So what they've done is drilled a new hole and popped up at the front. So I think I will do exactly the same here, up, across with a new tap connector, which I had in my hand, a hand tight one. I love these things. Decided for drill it, Wigan came out then, for drill it at this side, so I'm not using excessive fittings, I'll just do exactly what they've done. I just realised that I've drilled through the cupboard bottom, not the floor yet, you donut. Cell phone. So as the name suggests, hand tight tap connector. You screw it onto the bottom of the tap. Try not to cross thread it because it's plastic, obviously on brass. Give it a nip up with your hand. That's it. I think I'm going to put a Talon wrap over clip, screw it to the back of the cupboard on both of them just to make it look slightly better. So I've just whipped off the tap connector to the bath tap, using obviously today's tools, professional back tap nut spanner set. And I'm going to put under here, I think, look like the washer was still on then. I think it's just shit in the threads there. I'm going to put that on there. So that is the bath connected up, basin, downstairs sink. What the hell is going on over there? I'll need to have a look at that. But I've also left the worst bit till last, stupidly. So I just took a bit more of this wardrobe out and a bit of the floor just so I could gain access to this, because the rest of this 22 is above the stairs and somewhere around there in the boiler cupboard. And she doesn't want me taking any more floor up. Plus it's 22. I've never seen 22 mil piping, so it should be fine. So I'll just connect onto the end of that T2 down for the downstairs toilet basin hot feed and onto my end here. This will hopefully be the final fitting. Speed it never looks pretty, but I've just used a couple of spigots on that to bring that T off. Yeah, looks a bit neater than theirs anyway. Get water back on. Hoover this out. Don't forget, attention to detail is the thing that will get you recommended for more work, or more jobs, and more clients. Right guys, so water's back on, all up and working, and that's us done for the hot pipe in this house. I've got two little tiny baby radiators to change, just replacement like for like swaps. Whether I, sure at that time when I looked half an hour ago, whether I do them today or not is another thing, because I'm going to try and put all the floor back down and hoover up and just tidy up, just generally tidy up. Anyway, it won't be on this video, it'll be on the next one, probably included with a couple of other bits. So thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you like the video, hit the like button and drop a subscribe, please. Catch you next time.